Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add contacts on WhatsApp web. So this is an informative video we have bought for you. So let's get right into it. So head over to your WhatsApp and heading over to it, just head over to your web browser and search for WhatsApp. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in with your WhatsApp account in your PC or laptop, whatever you are using. And once you are done with that, here you can see there is no option to add contact in web browser or WhatsApp web. So WhatsApp hasn't made this update yet. So get this, you just need to use your application or mobile application. And yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope this information will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.